Yiba Kids. Hi! This time we're gonna read 3-letter words. I've compiled the most common animals first. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. A.
N. T.
Ant. Ant.
B.
A.
T.
Ba.
T.
Bat. A.
T.
Ka.
T.
Cat.
O.
Cow. Cow. O is very tricky. Sometimes it sounds as O. Sometimes it sounds as ah. In this case, the letter O sounds as ah, and next letter is W, so it is read as ao. Cow. Same as the word fox ahead. Don't worry, we will tackle more O on the next steps.
G. O. G.
Dog.
G.
Dog.
O. Sh.
Fox. Fox. A.
N.
Hen.
N.
Hen. E.
G.
P.
G.
Pig.
R.
A.
T.
Ra.
T.
Rat. This was very easy, and I bet you know all those words. I hope you get to know how to read them. Practice again till you know how to read them before continuing to the next video for more 3-letter words. Video link is in the description.